in the world of social media, your personal brand is essentially your business. So we want to play a quick little game to understand a bit more.
Okay. So this game is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge, and the idea is Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, and that sometimes makes it difficult to convey your thoughts. And that's the challenge that we transfer to you. So it takes about 20 seconds to speak to 80 characters. So could you explain to us your personal brand in 20 seconds, but you also need to use one emoji and a hashtag.
Got it.
Cool.
Okay.
All right, so we have a timer for you, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Avanti Nagral is an interdisciplinary performer, content creator, and entrepreneur using the medium of song and storytelling to share issues and conversations, shed light on issues and spark conversations. How much is it? 20 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay, so emoji, world emoji and hashtag connection.
Ooh,
nice.
Yes, 19. Perfect.
Awesome. So we know we mentioned that your personal brand is your business, but also your business is your business. Yes. So you're the founder of Golden Milk Media.
Correct.
So let's do the same challenge for that as well.
Sounds good.
All right, so we can give you another 20 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Golden Milk Media is a new age, socially conscious media house focused on developing films, web series, and other types of audiovisual productions. Underneath its umbrella also has a studio space called the Dream Space Studio and is looking to connect people globally who require mentorship in the creator space. I missed out the
emoji.
Yes. Well, they're technically two separate businesses, so you can get a yes. Yeah. But if you want an emoji, it would be the yellow heart. And the hashtag Halidud is good for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's different from that thing. But yeah.